What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Civic. Finally back with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but we're actually going to be working on the Fl5 today to kind of get her all dialed in for H-Day. Today is Saturday. I think H-Day actually started yesterday, which was Friday, but I'm not actually going until tomorrow, which is Sunday. So got some little things I need to do. I wanted to make a video of me putting the car back, or putting everything back on it, because I had took everything off, for winter. Put the stocks back on and took all the camber out of it and stuff like that. But I kind of just one day, there's a little Cars and Coffee locally. I just one night came home from work, just threw the stuff on. I didn't record it or nothing like that. But today we're actually going to go ahead and change the front bumper, the mesh, the grill. I actually hit a raccoon coming home from work one day last week or something like that. So of course right before Honda Day, and it I'll try to show you guys. It kind of see if I can get this here. Oh, sorry. It basically broke the mesh. It's not like horrible, but you can kind of see where it cracked that. That's pretty much it. But this is kind of how the car's sitting right now. Pretty much got everything. She's a little dirty. She's definitely due for a wash before we head out tomorrow for sure. But other than that, things are coming together. So we're gonna get her in the garage and try to get this new grill changed out. All right, YouTube, so we got the bumper off. Man, it definitely was, it wasn't like super hard, but I mean, you have like a million of those clips on the bottom and top, and then you have like these screws. You got like two here, one like inside the actual like wheel well or whatever. Tires, they look all right. They'll be good, at least for this ride. But so we got it out. Now we just have to replace the center, the mesh. That part should just pop right out. Should just be some more clips, and then should be fairly easy. And just get it all put back together. Well, guys, change of plans. I guess that's kind of what you get when you order stuff off of eBay. It doesn't fit at all. This is still the broken one that's on here. I mean, it's not like horrible, but you know, I can tell. I kind of got a little bit of like OCD, so I don't know. H days tomorrow, so I think I'm just gonna try to, is ghetto as it sounds, maybe try to use like a hot glue gun just to kind of like get these just to sit a little more correct until I can get the right piece ordered to replace this. But yep, that's kind of where we stand at now. So kind of a bummer, I guess I should say, but I don't know. We'll make the best of what we got. All right, you two. So this is the dilemma I'm having. So, you know, we got they sent us the wrong piece, you know, obviously. So I'm debating on if I want to run it without the mesh on the bottom. I don't know how that's gonna look. I mean, just obviously just a temporary fix. I was thinking about maybe, you know, just using like some of that like trim coat to kind of freshen just the part that was covered by the mesh to kind of get it, you know, glossy black to kind of match, you know, the stock lip and then the stock upper grill. But I don't know. I'm kind of back and forth. I may just put the bumper back on the car like this just to see how it looks. And then I can always just pop the, excuse the mess. I can always pop the mesh part back. Like I said, I thought about trying to, you know, just temporarily fix that part. But I'm not sure. So we're still working, kind of crunch time, but we're gonna get it all figured out.